This is a Klev model microwave oven, and now we are discussing about the function of this model. This is a option of top grill, and the temperature is setting to 110. If you want to increase the temperature, then press this button, and from there you can increase the temperature to maximum range. Its maximum range is 180. This is a convection mode. In this option, fan and back heater is on, and we can also change the temperature by pressing this to the maximum. The maximum temperature of this option is 230. And this is a microwave plus grill, and also we can change the temperature from pressing this to 600 is the maximum temperature. This is a convection and grill, and in this option we can also increase the temperature. The next option is combo mode, like convection, microwave and grill. This is a convection plus grill, and the next is combo mode, convection, grill and microwave. This is a defrost option. This is a defrost option, and this is a microwave. This is again grill. This is a power button. This is a timer. We can set the time from here by pressing this. From there we can set the time like 12:30. This is for setting, and this is for child lock. This is for changing functions, and this is for play button for using microwave oven. This is a Klev model. The model name is KMWO45BI38TCBKA, and the voltage frequency is 220 to 240, whereas the diameter and centimeter of 45 centimeter microwave oven, and the microwave frequency is 2450 megahertz, and power input is 1000 watts, and related power input 1500 to 1600 watts, and rated power grill 1400 to 650 watts, and convection mode on 350, 1350 and 1500 watts.